my name is Derin Erkan and today I will be presenting my digital electronics project, which is a serial terminal based on the Basis 3 FPGA board. For my setup, I have a VGA monitor as well as a keyboard connected to the Basis, and I also have a host computer which I will use to communicate with the Basis, which has its own keyboard and monitor as well. Now I will change the camera angle to give you a better view of the monitors so I can demonstrate my project. So basically my project is an emulator of a serial terminal which can communicate with the host computer using an UART protocol, and I will be able to type on this separate keyboard, which through the Basis will send data back to the computer, and then what I type on the computer will be transmitted to my terminal. I'm using a terminal emulator program on my computer so I can manage the serial communication, and basically what my FPGA is doing is going to be identical to what this program is doing, except it will be implemented on the hardware of the Basis 3. I can demonstrate the communication between the host and the FPGA like so. If I type a message, for example, hello, then we can see that what I type on the host is sent to the display, and the cursor is moved by pressing the enter keys and the backspace keys and so on and so forth. The backspace key, as you can see, wraps around the edge of the screen to come back to the beginning, not to the beginning, to the end of the previous line, while the enter key moves to the beginning of the next line. And I can type anything. And alternately I can type on the keyboard which is connected to the FPGA to send data to the host. This blinking LED shows that the FPGA is in a power save mode right now. This is a hardware feature of the Basis 3 and it's not related to my code, but it does mean that I can't use the keyboard without pressing one key first. You can see that it leaves power save for a moment or two, and then in that moment I can type whatever I want on the FPGA and it will be sent to the computer. As you can see, this terminal emulator program is what I'm using to display the received characters. These LEDs on the Basis 3 are showing right now. These three on the right show the keyboard. These two are the data lines. This is basically a debugging system, but it does work, and this light is supposed to light up when a received signal is received. And these 8 LEDs on the left show data incoming from the terminal. So for example, A is 100001, and we can see that when I press the key A on my keyboard, we see this bit pattern. It's actually 110001, my bad. And that's basically my project.